This is a one-bedroom deluxe at Tahiti Village. All of the rooms at the property have now been renovated. The living room feels very airy, much more open. They made better use of the floor space with the way that they rearranged the furniture and the addition of the breakfast bar. It comes with a washer and dryer, a standing shower combination steam room, a soaking tub with jets. This is a view from the sky deck on the 10th floor. This is a full one-bedroom unit. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stove, double sinks, have utensils, cooking ware, a coffee pot. The living room and the bedroom recently underwent a soft renovation. They replaced the flooring, the wallpaper, the furniture. It feels much more open, the space in the living room, compared to the room prior to the renovation. The way that they've arranged the furniture, I think, is a better use of the floor space. Heading into the bathroom, you do get a full bathroom. The bathroom has double sinks. It has a makeup bar, 2 mirrors. There's storage underneath the bathroom counters. There's a standing shower. With the press of a button, it converts into a private steam room. Heading into the master bedroom, I do love the decor, I have to say. They did a really good job in the room with the furniture and the decor. And the ambiance here with the light behind the bed. They've modernized the technology, making the HDMI outlet accessible. They put plugs on both ends of the couch, so you can charge your phones, you can use your devices. The kitchen is fully equipped. This is the view from the sky deck on the 10th floor. That's also where they conduct the yoga classes. Check out gatesonthego.com for more room tours and timeshare travel information.